What's up, guys? We had another video. Today's video, I'm trout fishing at a creek and pond, but we're not really fishing the pond. But I just caught one, so yeah, just keep on going. Caught another one. Got him. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Just got this one. Oh, there you go. Oh, man, you're on fire now, huh? Basically, right now, all I'm doing is trying to make something like that. Basically, it just looks like a fish swimming on by, and it smells really good to the fish, or to the trout. So that's just how I'm doing it. It's just out of power bait. Got this little one. That's right, guys, we hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. Actually 102, but you know, I didn't get around to filming this video. But yeah, this is freaking awesome. Hit 100 subscribers, I think beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday maybe, or one of those days. But it really means a lot. It does, but it's exciting. Had the channel for like 5-6 months now. But yeah, school's out now. Just basically the video that you guys just watched, basically like the fishing video, the trout fishing video, that's just all. It was like 2 minutes, so I figured I should add something else to it, and I figured I should add this. So yeah, but thank you guys so much. Means a lot. Gonna keep on making videos, slamming it out. Summertime's now here, so expect more videos. And yeah, but we're just having fun, making new videos every day. Well, not every day, but most of the time. Also, I figured I'd tell you guys something. Yesterday, me and Derek went fishing at the pond. I didn't record anything, but I ended up hooking into about 3 to 4 pound bass, and it fought, like it was pulling drag, everything, and I got it about 1 foot away from me, and pop off, it just came right, the hook just came right off. So I was like, dang it. But that bass was huge. Like, it was probably about 17-18 inches long. And just chunky, so I was sort of like so I was pretty like excited until it like came off, and I was like, no. But we're looking, I'm looking into GoPros, so expect maybe a GoPro soon. That'd be pretty cool. I'm gonna get a chest mount, you know, so it makes the videos better. So you guys don't have to sit back, you can get first person point of view, you know what I mean, and that'll be so much more better videos. And yeah, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. It's amazing. But if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm looking to try to get to 150 subscribers by the end of the summer, which is the end of the summer, like for school. School starts the 23rd of August, so if you guys can give me 150 subscribers by the 23rd of August, that will be amazing. But hope this video does really good, because I mean, it is a trout fishing video. My last trout fishing video, we had like a 470 some views right now. It's at. So it makes me really excited that my YouTube's doing pretty dang good. I mean, I took like a little 2-week break, not on purpose. I would have uploaded, but my editing software wasn't working right and all that stuff. But hey, we're back. We're slamming out the videos. I think I uploaded 2 this past week, so I'm pretty excited about that. Pumped up. We're ready to go. Trying to make some more videos. I hope you guys are really enjoying these videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. You're the best. Bye.